to introduce my group. We are Group 3. My name is Dinda Bunga Febrianti as travel vlogger.
My name is Chelsea Marata Putri as tour guide.
My name is Anissa Zelia as tourist one.
My name is Faiza Nabila, tourist 2.
My name Nanda Rizka Nadira as local visitor.
My name is Nia Ramadhani as palace staff.
We hope you enjoyed your presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your travel journey. Today we are visiting Keraton Kasepuhan, one of most famous historical landmark in Cirebon. We've heard many interesting stories about this palace. So today we'll explore its history, culture, architecture, and unique tradition together. We hope you enjoy this journey with us.
Welcome to Keraton Kasepuhan. The palace was established in 1529 and became the center of Cirebon Sultanate. It is one of the oldest palaces in West Java. Even today, it remains an important symbol of Cirebon identity and cultural heritage.
The entrance looks magnificent. I've always wanted to visit it. Plans because I often see photos social media. See it in person feels completely different, and I am excited to learn more.
I feel the same way. The atmosphere is calm and traditional. I'm curious I see about the stories behind every building and every object inside this place.
See from Tanzania because I love learning about law history. Everything this gives me a new aspect and rich, and makes me appreciate the both of mom.
We're very happy to welcome visitors from different cities and countries. Please enjoy your visit. Respect the rules and help use this important historical site for future generations.
As we walk through the courtyard, the peaceful atmosphere makes you feel like we're traveled back in time. Every corner of this palace of its own beauty.
Yeah, the architecture is combination of Javanese, Sundanese, Chinese, Islam, and European style. This cultural blend reflects the history of Cirebon as an important trading port in the past.
The red bricks all are beautiful and still looks strong. It's amazing. This edge of stripe have survived for hundreds of years.
I also these many unique ornaments and decoration. They make the palace look elegant and different from other historical palaces I've visited.
That's why I never get bored of coming. Every building Every building has a story, and every visit helps me understand more about the history of of our our region.
Our team works hard to preserve this building. Regular maintenance is important so visitors can continue to enjoy and learn from this palace.
After entering the museum, this is one of the most exciting places because it contains historical collection from the royal family.
I am impressed by how well everything is perfect looking and the object makes a story feel real and much easier to understand.
I especially like the traditional clothing and old manuscripts. They show how rich the culture and tradition of the Turban Sultanate were.
Each collection tells us a different story about politics, religion, art, and daily life in the palace. That's why this museum an important place for education.
Whenever I visit, I'll always spend extra time in the museum because there's always something interesting to discover.
Inside this museum, you can find ancient weapons, traditional clothing, royal furniture, ceramics, manuscripts, paintings, and many valuable objects used by the Sultan and his family.
Now we've arrived at the famous Singabarong carriage. Many people say the icon of Keraton Kasepuhan.
That's correct. This carriage was used by the Sultan during important royal ceremonies. It is careful preserved because it is one of the palace's greatest treasure.
The sign is very unique. I can see different animal species combined into one beautiful cherry.
Could you explain the meaning behind those animal figures? I'm really curious about the symbolism.
The dragon represents China, the elephant represents India, and the bird represents the Islamic the world. Together they symbolic friendship, harmony, and cultural exchange.
It is my favorite collection because it reminds us that Cirebon has always been open to refine culture and traditional.
This hall feels quiet and elegant. It's easy to image important even taking place here hundreds of years ago.
Bangsal Prabayaksa was used by Sultan to welcome important guests, discuss royal matter, and hold official ceremony.
Standing here makes me feel connected to the past. I can imagine the royal family gathering in the hall.
It's wonderful that this building is still preserved and continues to be used during traditional ceremonies.
Many cultural events are still held here today, allowing younger generations to experience Cirebon traditional firsthand.
Preserving this hall and its tradition is our responsibility because history is an important part of your identity.
Your journey at Keraton Kasepuhan has come to an end. Today we learned a lot about the history, culture, architecture, and tradition of this wonderful palace.
Thank you for joining this tour. We hope you enjoy the experience, learn something valuable about one of Cirebon's most important historical landmark. Thank you guys.
My favorite part was the museum because I call as many aesthetic, historical objects and later stories.
My favorite part was the single barong carriage. Its design and symbolism made me appreciate Cirebon's culture heritage even more.
I hope more people, especially young generation, will visit places like this and help Paris, Indonesia history and culture.
Thank you for visiting Keraton Kasepuhan. We look forward to welcoming you again. Let's continue protecting our cultural heritage together.